Interior curtain walls, video 1. In this video, we will discuss how to create frameless curtain walls for a shower. Given this wall, we will design a shower in this area here by creating curtain walls, which will serve as the frame of glass for the shower. All right, to do this, we will first draw model lines in the location where we will place our walls. And I'm going to center the shower in this area here. So I'm going to use my model lines and offset accordingly. This is obviously a custom shower, so you will design this as needed per your project. However, I'm going to give you this demo here with a 6-foot by 12-foot shower. And again, this is just a shower, not a bathtub shower combo that you would find in a secondary bathroom. This is for a owner's bathroom. All right, to begin, we will draw in curtain walls, and we will use the default curtain wall that is here. This is a frameless wall with no mullions anywhere on the border or on the inside of the frame. As always, we will draw our walls up to second floor, and then we can adjust accordingly later. But for right now, we will have our base constraint be the first floor, and our top constraint is the second floor. All right, to draw in the walls, it's the same as drawing in a regular stud wall. I'm going to let my offset go in to the shower, and then so here's my boundary for the shower, and in 3D view, you'll see that we have a stud wall and then 3 glass panels for the shower. Next, we will add a door for the shower. To do this, we will need to locate a 2D view. I'm going to draw a wall on this panel here. Or excuse me, I'm going to draw a door on this panel here. So we need to modify the wall, and we are going to cut out the opening for the door. To do this, we will select the panel and we will edit the profile. And I'm going to draw in a 7-foot door, 7-foot high door, and we'll go, let's say, 2'6" wide. That's probably the biggest you'll find. Maybe you could find bigger, but that's probably a good standard size. So we'll go 1'3" on the left, and then mirror across the center line. And I'm going to delete the center line, and then we must split this line on the bottom to make one continuous boundary. So we have one continuous boundary all the way around. And I have my door opening. Now, if the design calls for an opening without a door, you could stop at this point. You probably would not have the opening not go all the way to the top. So you may just have 2 separate wall panels at this point. But for now, we'll continue. We'll put in the the glass door that swings into the shower. To do that, we will need to download a panel that will serve as the door. So to do this, this is something that we've not done before. We will click on the Insert tab, and you see we have a Load Family option and a Load Autodesk Family option. Now, locally on my computer, I do not have all of the Load Family files installed, where you would see all of the folders here. You are going to go through this folder, the English Imperial, and you're going to download the curtain wall door. I'm going to click on Load Autodesk Family. These look the same. The Autodesk Family is just a remote area for the files. So you will have the folders here inside your Load Family tab as normal. So I'm going to click on Doors, and inside your door folder that's locally installed on your machine, you will see you have the option to download curtain wall doors. So I'm going to click on the single panel and load it in. You'll do the same thing just through the folder, the locally installed folder, and nothing will happen once you load in the file. The file is now installed on your project file, and we will place the door inside the shower by doing the following steps. So we're going to go back to first floor, and the door is actually a wall. So the computer recognizes this as a wall instead of a door. So we're not going to click door, we're going to click wall. And we are going to edit type and duplicate. And we're going to call this curtain wall single door. And the only thing we will change is the curtain panel. Our default is none. We are going to change the panel to be the door that we just downloaded. So curtain wall single glass door. And we're going to select OK. And now we will draw in the panel in the 2'6" opening. Now you'll get a warning that says the highlighted walls overlap. That's okay, because we're going to fix that right now. You'll see that this panel came in up to second floor as we had on the properties for the constraints on the top. So we will go back to our 2D view, select our door panel, and just pull it down to the 7-foot height. So now we have a shower frame of one stud wall, which is where we will put the tile in our finishes step. That's step 7. And I will put our tile in for the floor. That's also in step 7. But we now have the structure in place for a custom shower using curtain walls.